Hello, my people. You are welcome to German Driving License Theory Prep. And on this channel, we are going to prepare you for the Class B German Driving License Theory Test. And also, we'll always update you whenever there are new questions being updated on the app. So to move further, we are using the Ferroshine Gold app. I think you'll get this app on the Play Store, but it's not free. You need to purchase it. So to move further, on the app, we have basic knowledge and additive class B. So, but we first start from the chapter 1, which is the danger theory. That is chapter 1.1. And also we have 166 questions under the chapter 1.1. And okay, so we move to the first topic, which is the basic forms of traffic behavior. Yeah. So we move to practice questions. Yeah. Okay, so let's begin with question 1. What should you understand by defensive driving? We first have to know the meaning of defensive driving. And as we know, defensive driving, we talk about defensive driving. It is a driving technique that drivers use to respond to potential hazard on the road. Yeah. So let's move to the questions. So what should you understand by defensive driving? So one, it says not insisting on your right, yeah, allowing for other people's mistake, yeah, stopping as a precaution at every crossroad, no. So the answer is 1 and 2. Yeah, we got it right. So let's move to the next question. This is number 2. What can be the cause of rear end collision? So we have driving too close behind the vehicle in front. Yeah. When you're driving on autobahn, when you try to drive too close behind a vehicle, it can cause an accident. Yeah. So the second one says unexpectedly heavy braking. Yeah. It is a reason or the factor that can cause a collision. And also inattentiveness can also cause an accident on the road. So 1, 2, and 3 is the answer. So let's move to the third question. Which of this is a good example of anticipatory driving? The first one says, I attempt to identify the intentions of other road users as soon as possible. Yeah. The second one says, I limit my observation of the road traffic as much as possible on which vehicle driving directly in front of me. No. So the last one says, I respond as soon as possible to probably changes in the road traffic situation. Yes. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. Moving to number 4. You are driving a motor vehicle with which you are unfamiliar. Why do you have to be particularly careful to begin with? Assume you have a new car and you don't know how to maneuver your way out, how to use the car. What do you have to do? It is possible that I do not know enough about the special aspect. Yeah. The first one says special aspect of the arrangement and the function of the control. Yes, it's a factor. And the second one says of its braking characteristics. Yeah. The last one also says of its maneuverability. Yes. You have a car, you don't have any knowledge about how to use it. You need to take all these things into consideration. So let's move to number 5. Yeah. And number 5 also says you are driving in a built-up area behind a vehicle with number plates that are not local, what could happen? The driver in front could stop unexpectedly to ask the way. Yeah. The driver in front could brake unexpectedly. Yes. The driver in front may switch on the direction indicators too late before turning. Yeah. So 1, 2, and 3 is correct. Yeah. Moving to number 6. What can cause unnecessary obstructions? Stalling the engine in dense traffic. Yeah. Vehicle proceeding too slowly for no good reason. Yeah. Motor vehicle breaking down because they have run out of fuel. Yeah. So 1, 2, and 3 are also the right answers. Moving to number 7. Why must you not drive extra slowly for no good reason? Because it encourages vehicle drivers behind to overtake dangerously. Yes. Because it obstructs the flow of traffic. Yeah. Because it increases the danger of rear end collision. Yes. So 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, we got that correct. Moving to number 8. How can you tell that you are getting tired while you are driving? I think this question is very simple. Frequent yawning is a factor of tiredness. So quicker reaction time, no. Heavy eyelid, yeah. So 1 and 3 are also the correct answers. Number 9. What can happen if you ignore signs of tiredness? Driving mistakes, yeah. Micro sleeping, yeah. Lack of concentration, yeah. 1, 2, and 3 are the correct answers. Moving to number 10. What should you do if you start feeling tired while driving? Get out of the vehicle and move around in the fresh air, yes. Listen to stimulating music, no. You don't have to listen to music when you are tired. The last one says take a break straight away. Yeah. So 1 and 3 are the correct answers. Moving to the 11th. How does tiredness affect your driving? Decreases alertness. Yes. Limit awareness. And also delay reactions. Yeah. It delays reactions. So 1, 2, and 3 are also correct. Moving to number 12. What could cause the vehicle to leave the road? You are driving on the autobahn and you get a call. It can also cause an accident. So inattentiveness is 1. Tiredness, distractions. Yeah. When you are being distracted on the road, it can cause a road accident. So 1, 2, and 3 are so correct. Moving to the last question. This is number 13. What is a frequent cause of serious accidents? Driving too close to the vehicle in front, yeah. Failure to adjust speed accordingly, yeah. Failure to pay attention to other traffic, yes. So 1, 2, and 3 are correct. So this brings us to the end